to the Pink Boys. Today we don't really know yet. We'll get back on when we know. By figuring out what we're going to be playing. So today we're playing Pop-Up Pirates. It's a game where we put this pirate in, spin him around, and then we put in swords. If he pops up, we lose. Okay? Okay, let's start. Harlan win, I'll go. Stop it, Colin, you go. Harlan, you go.
After we're going to play outside and play games.
No, I'm going to lift it up so they can actually see it. Come on.
My turn.
Someone else.
I'll go.
We've got to turn it around which one you're putting it in. They can't see. Okay, we'll see you outside. It looks like it's going to rain. Look at this guy. It's completely dark. So now we are going to be going into the cubby. Yes. We made a cubby down the backyard. Your mum actually made it. Our pink mum made it. But it's all the way down there. So there's some work going on in our neighbours' thing. Yeah. Let's go. Quickly run! Quickly! Run! Okay, we're going inside. Did you hear that bang? That's just the door. We're in. I'll close up the door so we
love some food, Kingston.
I want that banana. Look at that banana. There's even a window we have. You can't really see out of it. It's that bright. Or that dark, I don't know. Close it up, Harlan.
Would you like to close it up? Did you run away from the insect day?
No.
It's so strong, it can hold.
Okay. Here, I'll put you guys down. And I'll show you, give you a little tour. First of all, we have this latch right over here. Underneath our table right here. Okay. If we want to, sometimes we can sleep in here. But if we want to, we have a weapon room. It's not full right now, it only has one weapon. That's it. What else should we do?
We're just
showing you a tour of our.
Maybe we should do tram.
Yep.
And then what is else on the tram?
Let's see. What do you think we're going to do? First, we'll show you our. So we showed you Coco, and Coco where it is, but you haven't seen our dog Hugo. We'll get him.
They could lead.
Yeah, we'll get him right here. He's a little Jack Russell. Hugo. He's a boy. He's a small one. Yeah, he's a small Jack Russell.
He's one.
Yep. Now we're going on the trampoline. If you guess the trampoline, you're right. No lying. Now we're on the tramp. Let's see if we have a roof for it. Okay, hold him.
Okay,
there.
we're doing a trick.
And here's what you guys rate our tricks. You guys rate our tricks. Put them in the comments on the one of McDonald's always lying. They are.
Or maybe we can add comments on this one.
Yeah. And also Oreo McFlurry. Shut. Also, if you want to also shout out, put your first name in the comments on any which has a comment. Probably come on a bushwalk on the Bunny Mountains or McDonald's always lying. Okay, back into the video. You guys are now going to be rating our tricks.
Okay.
1 out of 10. And seeing who wins. Oh no. So guys. Let me all we gotta do is just do a trick. So yeah. First of all, stop it, Colin. Come on, let's go. You almost made me stop the video. Okay, let's go. Harlan, you go first. I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna do a backward roll. You're the only one who can do a backward. And like, okay, I have to hold on to the camera. Double. Okay, now you go up, Colin. Colin, you have to hold the camera. Yep. Okay. Let's see.
Not that cool, but
Front flip any landing! Okay, mine is the least coolest because I can't do anything like that. I can't land a front flip or a backflip. But I can learn a backflip, which I actually made up. Backflip. Oh! No, that's not. It's actually pretty hard.
Okay, so now we're just going to be jumping a bit more.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay.
I can't think I made that though.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be embarrassed.
Guess what we're gonna be going to next?
Not yet.
Not yet. But guess what we're gonna be going to next? Well,
We're going to leave you on a cliffhanger.
That was you! Yeah, that was you guys! You guys wanted to jump with us!
Yeah.
You're fine. They're fine. Here, jump with us!
Buneka abalabu.
Rebecca's the turn us up. Okay, guess what guess what we're going to next. This one was a very hard one, but we're going to the chicken pen. If you actually guessed it somehow, good job.
And leave that in the comments if you guessed it, if we have it.
Yeah, leave down in the comments if you got it.
Leave down
In McDonald's or Line, or if this video has comments, we don't know yet. Through the gate we go.
The gateway of heaven.
Through we go. Okay. Ducks. Oh, this is hard to show them, the ducks. It's hard, they can't see. Let's get closer. There's them, and then there's one boy. So the black ones are girls, the white one is a boy.
One boy.
The white one's Donald.
Donald Trump.
And then we have names for all the black ones. One's
Even though they kind of look the same.
and if you think I'm not racist, okay? But one's Feather McQuack, one's Honey, and one's Sapphire. Okay. And we have heaps of chickens as well. That's a perfect spot of all of them. If you guys see them, you're not racist. Now we can't zoom in on this. Okay, well, guess what we're going to next? If you guessed our gym, which was another very hard one, if you got it, whoa, you got it. Okay, gym.
Comment thumbs up if you got it.
Yeah, kind of stop asking them to comment. That's too much. Okay, so we have a monkey bars. Here.
How do I make it?
I'll do it. Do them. You're up there. Here. There's two ways.
No, Kingston.
This way
Can you leave it?
and this way. Oh, whoopsies. Sorry guys, Colin wanted to ask you how we got up, but that's fine. Go on. Someone take the camera.
No, just stay down there. I want to show you something.
Okay, Colin first needs to show you something. So, we go. There we go.
Look.
Okay, quickly take it home. They're getting a bit bored. Stop it. Giggity, giggity, gots.
Giggity, giggity, yeah.
Giggity, giggity,
Now,
gots.
I know what to do with a camera.
That's the thing. Okay, so I'm just kidding. Why are you laughing like that? Yeah, so
Watch this, everybody.
look at Bloom. We're so high up. Well, this is the end.
Watch this, everybody.
Hope you enjoyed, guys.
This is the final.
Colin.